Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Ngiyawathanda ama-messages wenu because of anginika ama-ideas nezinto engingakhuluma ngazo. Ngibona i-message lana yobhuti la usapota iMamelodi Sundowns. Uthi inkinga kuMamelodi Sundowns akuwona ama-player akusiyo i-problem at all. Uthi i-technical team eMamelodi Sundowns noma o-coach eMamelodi Sundowns iyaplana for igame, kodwa egamini mabebhekana nama-challenges kuleyo game leyo akanayo i-plan B or i-plan C. Uthi ngeke njalo uthi wena uqala nje ngabadlali ababodwa, uqala ngoSales, uqala ngoMatthews njalo nje. So leyo nto le yenza iyabonisa ukuthi uMiguel Cardoso u-predictable bafethu, kuyabonakala ukuthi uyafavor nama-player. Yiyo leyo nto leyo ekhosta iMamelodi Sundowns. Uyaqhubeka lana lo bhuti uthi zama uMorena laphana on the right as i-forward or uModiba laphana ku-left forward, and then udlalise uBasadeni kule position yakhe. Uthi-ke mawubheka uMiguel Cardoso uyasaba ukuzama like izinto ezintsha, kusho ukuthi udlala nge-style sakhe nje kuphela, akafuni ukujika kuleso style sakhe noma ukushintsha kuleso style sakhe overall. So mawubheka kusho ukuthi amathimu ayaplana ukuthi ayam-frustrate noma ayaba-frustrate iMamelodi Sundowns. Uthi uyazi lento le yenzakala ngaso sonke isikhathi. So uyasho ukuthi ulo Miguel Cardoso kumele a-challenge amajita laphana noma ngithi abafana, a-make sure ukuthi u-create i-competition between o-Reynas noShalulile. So iMamelodi Sundowns abantu bazokwazi ukuyisaba again laphana ku-PSL. Uthi-ke akabhilde i-team not ama-individuals. So uthi-ke leyo nto leyo iyo ibulala iMamelodi Sundowns. Uyasho ukuthi i-damage is already done laphana. Uthi the only way abangayilungisa lento leyo kuMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi balethe u-coach omusha overall, lo ongakwazi uku-challenge lama-talented stars, lawa abawathandayo abawa-appreciate-ayo. Uthi kodwa kumele kusapotwe i-team eziMamelodi Sundowns because of akwaziwa ukuthi internally or ngaphakathi kweMamelodi Sundowns kwenzekani ngempela. Uthi-ke uyathemba ukuthi izinto zizolungiseka laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns overall. Hhayi, ngiyayithanda le comment bafowethu because lawa ama-dialogue a-constructive okumele sikhulume kanje ngebhola every time. Akumelanga sikhulume sibe emotional ngoba mina ngithe ulo nalo angimzwisisi kahle noma angimuzwa kahle uplay elibhedayo, but-ke nami ngumuntu at the end of the day, angilona irobot, siyafundisana. Nala I'm taking technical awareness, like the way a-break down izinto ubhuti la, i-awareness yakhe, the way a-read ngakhona igame, na the way abheka ngakhona izinto zamaMamelodi Sundowns, izinto akhulume ngazo nami ngiyabona ukuthi ziyaphila kuMamelodi Sundowns. Mengikhuluma ngeMamelodi Sundowns ngike ngakhuluma ngale nto le ukuthi uMatthews uqala almost wonke amagame eMamelodi Sundowns ngiyambona. Isikhathi esiningi uma bazomkhipha late second half, and uMatthews unokuba namaphutha amaningi kuMamelodi Sundowns lawo okugeja kakhulu. uMatthews uzothola maybe ama-chances, ayilikho iplayer mhlawumbe eselithola ama-clear chances njengoMatthews this season overall kuMamelodi Sundowns. uMatthews ngabe ubulala i-Orlando Pirates, uMatthews ngabe ubulala ama-team amaningi, ama-opportunities awatholile, golden opportunities wahluleka ukwageja. So lowo muntu loyo uyambuyisela futhi the next game. Uthi ama-player aboMaseka abadlali nokudlala, if lawo ma-player lawo athola i-competition e-fair, ukuthi nangu uMatthews uyageja, ugeje 1, 2, 3, mhlalise ngaphandle kancane. Yes, i-contribution kaMatthews siyayibona, amagoli amaningi awashayayo uyawaqedelela, like ku-rare ukuthi uMatthews ashayele igoli straight, uyawaqedelela amagoli awashayayo, but uyakwazi ukuzithola kuma-right positions, izinto ezinjalo, but i-finish product yakhe uMatthews ngabe sekanamagoli, could have easily been top goal scorer manje ku-PSL, or nje mangihlanganise konke nama-cup competition, could have easily number 1 in terms of ngamagoli this season. Yes, ama-assist unawo, siyavuma, but modlala iMamelodi Sundowns ama-opportunities uzowathola amaningi futhi hhayi amancane ama-opportunities ukuthi ukore, ukuthi u-assist, ukuthi wenze izinto. So i-final third kuMamelodi Sundowns into kumele bazilungise overall laphana. And ngithande nala ubhuti athi kumele ba-create i-competition. Akuna-competition kuMamelodi Sundowns, abanye ba-guaranteed ukuqala. Kuyazi ukuthi i-strike esiqalayo uReynas, manje sebadlalisa bani, semanokufaka boma-second half seba-introduce umfana waku-DDC team, uBennett Mokoena. So ufika laphana kunama-senior players, kune-legend, kune-icon ebhentshini leMamelodi Sundowns, uPeter Shalulile osebhentshini, and then bathatha umfana wo-DDC team ongakabi nane-experience bamdlalisa ahead of uShalulile. Leyo nto leyo yenzani? Iyenzani i-team? Ucabanga ukuthi ikhona into ebhildekayo kwi-team eba-healthy na? Ayikho. Uyayibhidliza i-team, u-frustrate-a i-team overall. Kufana like iMamelodi Sundowns i-base ngoba yazi yini eyenza i-shape iMamelodi Sundowns yayenza iba powerful, ngisho nakule clip le ubhuti a-comment kuyo, ukuthi they're able to take i-player leseyidlala i-midfield edlala in bamfake kwenye i-position. Bayakwazi uku-change-a eziMamelodi Sundowns, baku-change nje uyi-player. uMvala siyamazi uMvala ukuthi bekayi-midfielder ku-Highlands Park, ashaya amagoli amaningi kabi futhi uMvala. Siyazi ukuthi uyi-holding midfielder but ku-Highlands Park bekawashaya amagoli serious futhi hhayi indaba yokudlala. uMamelodi Sundowns bambeka as a-traditional defender. So sekalaphana ku-back four manje nje full time. Leyo nto yenzani uma umbheka uMvala? uMvala in terms of ama-tackle u-reckless laphana. He would give away amabhola kuma-dangerous positions in terms of ukuthi enzise lawo ma-free kick lawo, and unokuba siyayazi i-history yakhe yamaphutha esingeke singene kuyo. So ngenze example nje overall ngoMvala ukuthi they were able to convert him to i-defender. Uma ubheka ubani uKutsiye kuMamelodi Sundowns bamenzani, bekadlala ama-different positions, bekakwazi ukuba i-anchor, akwazi ukuba i-midfielder, akwazi futhi ukuba i-defender, full-time defender, like full on defender. Ngenze nge-example nangoMorena ukuthi uMorena ngimazi eyi-striker mina uMorena uBloemfontein Celtic. Mamelodi Sundowns they were able to, but uMiguel Cardoso unama-players a-super talented but akakwazi uku-create leyo nto leyo competition. Unama-favorite wakhe and ngishilo ukuthi uzodlalisa, nizoyibona lento izoba obvious, uzodlalisa ama-player wase-Portugal kakhulu ukuthi azomfayithela. Maybe ufila ngathi amanye ama-player wala e-South Africa awamfayitheli enough, or ufuna ukubonisa i-authority yakhe ukuthi uye ophethe, asazi ngempela kwenzakalani. But uma ubheka i-trust kuMiguel Cardoso nama-player ayikho kahle bafethu, because ama-player if they trust you as a coach, they fight for you. Once they stop fighting for you overall kuba nenkinga. I-statement sakabhuti lamethi uMiguel Cardoso predictable. Abantu, I mean, sebasibonile number one i-style sakhe, bayazi ukuthi uMiguel Cardoso ubhilivela ekudefendeni kakhulu ukuthi okay singa-concede. Ba-concede baqala ukuphenika, and then I always go back to le game le-Golden Arrows la Mamelodi Sundowns bayi-dominator klari, ngabe bayishaya amagoli amaningi. Azange wabona ukuthi i-Golden Arrows iwina amabhola amaningi, ibashaya nge-speed kulela side lela ku-left back, bapenetrate leso space kakhulu, abakwazi uku-container uNdlovu, lo mfana lo we-Golden Arrows laphana. Azange second half abuya ahlakanipha, abuya ne-idea ukuthi uNdlovu bazomstopa kanjani, bam-minimize i-free role yakhe. Azange abe nalelo plan lelo lowo muntu lo. So umuntu obonayo ukuthi uzoyi-improve na i-team, ngeke ayi-improve iMamelodi Sundowns. Angisho ukuthi ngeke bawina izinto, bazoshayisana nezinto because ikhona i-individual quality kuMamelodi Sundowns. Ama-player they will carry themselves, not i-coach. But uma i-coach e-good, you are able to turn ama-players are just talented kuphela, uwa-turn to gold. Miguel Cardoso is not the man to do that. I'm sorry. Cela ukuyibamba la. Danko bafethu. Cela ningakhohlwa uku-like, subscribe. Is making sure with le page lifika ku 15,000 subscribers. Danko.